Hello everyone, we are in Pareeka. This is in Udupi district in Manipal. It is a place where you can get naturopathy treatment in Karnataka, Udupi district in Manipal. Uh, Here you have a lot of different types of massages which are being performed for the patients. So you can also come here for a detox. So I've been here for almost like I think for 5 days now. It has been a very good experience. Uh, so you have multiple different kinds of uh, you have different kinds of treatments here. So most of the treatments are based on hydro, that is with water therapy, massages, and different kind of massages they give you. And also they follow a strict diet which will help everyone to uh, maintain a healthy lifestyle. So every day, uh, close to 2 hours, you'll be engaged in yoga and meditation, which is again a good thing, which you might want to continue doing once you go back to your normal life. So uh, how things are done here is that you can enroll for a 10-day stay here in Pareeka Naturopathy Center, and then uh, once you come in here, you'll first consult. After your check-in process, you'll first consult a doctor, a naturopathy doctor here. So he or she will give you information on uh, what are the different. You'll have to share your medical history, and according to that, they'll give you different kind of treatments. And there are different kind of rooms available here, like one is general ward, and you have special rooms, and then you have cottages, you have villa kind of rooms. So it caters to all kind of people, and I've seen really a diverse crowd coming here. And I think there's a good mix of young people and old people also. It is a very good place if you want to detox yourself and uh, you know uh, lead a healthy lifestyle. They give you a good base here, so you can go back home and continue to follow the same method. And that will definitely help you to regenerate yourself. And it is a quiet environment here. You're not supposed to use the mobile phones inside the hospital, so I'm not using it there. But it is an excellent place to be, and it is really, really um, worth spending your time here to regenerate and make yourself uh, make yourself more healthier, uh, with yoga and meditation and different kind of massages that you get here. And the prices are really reasonable. That is another important thing. And this is run by Dharmasthala management, and they have one more center as far as I know in Ujjire as well. Hope you guys like this video, and hope it is useful for you. Thank you. Have a great day.